Here's a step-by-step guide on how to effectively remove black mold from caulking in your windowsills or shower area. While some may attempt to eliminate black mold with bleach, it's important to note that this method might only address the color temporarily. Using bleach doesn't eradicate airborne mold spores, and as a result, the mold can return even more aggressively within just a few days. I recommend an alternative approach. Dampen the discolored moldy areas with Dawn dish detergent. This helps prevent the spores from becoming airborne and spreading while you work. Subsequently, carefully scrape off the mold using an appropriate tool, ensuring you wear a proper mask to protect yourself from inhaling potential mold spores. Undertake the project at your own risk, or consider seeking professional help. If the mold has infiltrated wood, meticulously wet sand it down to eliminate every trace of mold. This step is crucial to prevent a reoccurrence. If necessary, be prepared to replace the entire windowsill, acknowledging that it might be a challenging decision. Once all moldy areas are removed, scrub the affected area with hydrogen peroxide and a toothbrush, or opt for cleaning vinegar. This should effectively kill any remaining mold spores. Allow the solution to soak into the wood. Once the area is completely dry, you can repaint the windowsill if applicable. After the paint has dried, apply new caulking to finish the job. Ensuring the cleanliness of the entire bathroom and possibly your entire home is crucial. Regular maintenance can help prevent future mold issues. By following these steps diligently, you should successfully address and eliminate your mold problem.